archive. Now, repeat after me. Archive. Archive. Meaning. An archive is a collection of historical documents, records, or files that are preserved for reference or storage. It can also refer to the place where these items are kept or the act of storing them for future use. In a sentence, the museum's archive contains rare manuscripts from the 18th century. Here, archive refers to a collection of preserved historical documents. Let's try another example. I archived the old emails to clear space in my inbox. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using archive. Synonyms. Some related terms for archive are repository, a place where things are stored; records, stored information for reference. Antonyms. The opposite of archive would be discard, to throw something away or delete it; trash, a place for items meant to be deleted or disposed of. Part of speech. Archive is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a collection of stored records, and as a verb, it means to store or preserve something for future reference. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.